Hi, Jasmine.
Hello po. Good evening.
Yes.
Hello
I
din.
just wanna say thank you then because this will be really memorable to me kasi right after natin last week ba yun? Last week, um there's a job offer for me and
Wow.
I was
Wow,
able to pass the
congrats.
Congratulations.
interview because 'di ba meron tayong mock call, mock interview pang pang first week ko na. Second week it's
Wow.
work from home. So
Wow.
really thankful.
Congrats, congrats.
A round of applause, please. Ayan, good evening, sir.
Yes, good
At
evening.
ayan.
How are you guys? Kumusta kayo?
And this is your day, all right? And today is all about celebrating you and everything you've achieved.
Grabe, hindi ko dami kong puwedeng sabihin. Kung tawag dun, na-recall ko lahat nung simula nung elementary na hindi ko sineryoso. Gano'n lang pala siya ka-simple.
Sabi ko nga, kahit gaano ka busy, find time tayo to learn something new. Let's not um, let a day pass na wala tayong gain na knowledge. It would always be difficult and challenging. I've been a stay-at-home mom. Lagi kong kinikwento niyan sa inyo. Before I started transitioning sa home-based work, I was a stay-at-home mom for 5 years. And it wasn't easy. Um, Pregnant or while pregnant, nag-aalaga ng toddler, at the same time, nag-learn kung paano maging home-based worker.
Aside from academic or theoretical, yung mga gaya ng sabi ni Marco, actual, yung holistic approach ba, ma'am, sir, yung tinuturo niyo sa amin na expectation ni client at sa mga attitude, sa trabaho, yung pagiging professional din po, from zero to kung ano pa man po yung kahihinat na namin na field po namin, tinuturo po ninyo. And kay Ma'am Jen, salamat po ma'am kasi pag may mga inquiry tsaka kay Coach Sel, hanggat dilat sila, sasagot.
Yes, all right. Next, also congratulations to Mark Jason Flores Arce. Another Best in Mako, ayan, Hakot Award, Ted Daniel Rodriguez. All right. One, two, three, smile.